Green Flame Meditation. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment and let it out gently through your mouth. Do that one more time and feel the weight of your body supported by the earth beneath you. With each exhale, release any tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands. Let your breath become steady and natural, like the rhythm of a calm tide. In your mind's eye, imagine you are standing in a quiet forest at dusk. The air is cool, scented with pine and fresh rain. A soft mist curls between the trees, and somewhere ahead you notice a gentle glow. You walk toward it, each step slow and deliberate, feeling the earth's firmness under your feet. Before you, in a small clearing, stands a single flame, unlike any you've seen before. It burns a deep, luminous green, steady and alive. The light is not harsh, it's soft, wrapping the space in a warm, healing glow. You sense that this flame is ancient, wise, and endlessly compassionate. Step closer and feel the green light touching your skin. It flows into you like a gentle stream, filling your chest, your heart, your whole being. This is the flame of renewal, of balance, of growth. With each inhale, draw its energy in. Imagine it soothing old wounds, dissolving heaviness, and awakening vitality. With each exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Fear, doubt, fatigue. Letting that flame transform it into light. Feel that flame surround you. Flame now rests within you, a small, steady ember in your heart. Feel its warmth. Feel its energy. Know that you can return to this flame at any time. It's your inner source of healing and courage. Slowly, the forest fades, and you become aware of your body here and now. Take a deep breath in and out. Gently open your eyes, carrying the calm, the renewal, and the green flame's light into the rest of your day.